Listen, everyone trying to make money online is always obsessed with finding that secret way to make money online. They look for the hack, the loophole, the money glitch, whatever and every year it's the exact same cycle, a new guru, a new promise being made. But the people who are actually getting rich online, they don't chase the trends, they control your attention. And once you understand that little thing, the entire internet makes sense. Now, let me be extremely clear. Now, the real way people are making money online is through content. And if you're not making content nowadays, you're just putting your business way behind. And I'm pretty sure we all know that by now. Every business you see online runs through content. Ads are content, emails are content, social posts are content, videos are content. Anything can be content, but if you're not making content, you are already behind. Now, if you can't get attention and hold that shit, nothing else matters. You can have the best product in the world, but if nobody sees it, it does not exist. This is why content isn't optional anymore. It is the entry fee to selling online. And people always waste months thinking about bullshit like, do I need to show my face? What niche should I pick? What platform should I start on? These questions don't do shit for you, bro. If you just pick up your shit and start, it does way more for you. Bro, your content has one job, and it's not to go viral. It's to create curiosity and build your authority up. Your content should position you as the solution. It's not to impress people, not to entertain people endlessly. Its job now is to move someone closer to a decision that they want to make. Whatever decision you want them to make, whatever you want them to be at, a link in bio is just not gonna cut it nowadays. You have to make content to move people towards a decision. Now, every niche should follow the exact same system no matter what. Different topics, same structure, but it's content, trust, and then you sell them whatever you're trying to sell them. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. Trust me, especially when you're looking for it in other people's YouTube videos. And it's regular for people to think that there's some sort of secret outcome or secret thing they need to be doing, because all people see online is, oh, I made 10K online, I quit my job, passive income. But what they don't see is that hundreds of posts have already failed, content that got 0 views, products that didn't convert. So instead of learning the system, they just jump business models, and that's why most people stay broke online. And bro, this is not me hating, this is me being completely honest, having the experience and trying all these business models out. This is what I got from trying literally all these business models out. Actually, I've only tried 3 of the 4 because the fuck I look like reselling. But yeah, drop shipping, bro. If you're doing drop shipping in the big 26 game, you're already 10 years behind, bro. Don't even try that shit, because if someone is still teaching you a drop ship course, bro, that course is from like 5 years ago. No one should be teaching drop ship now. It is completely oversaturated. You need to run ads, you got to deal with returns, you're selling cheap ass products, Alibaba. Now, the only way this would probably work nowadays if you're sitting on TikTok shop and doing that shit, but like, it's just not a good beginner business model, because first you're taking out a lot of startup capital, you need to run ads, and then it's not like a real business, so you're not really like making your own product. It's just like you're selling other people's shit. Social media marketing agency, SMMA. Now, this has been flipped around so many times. It's been called so many different names, whether you want to call it freelance brand scaling, fucking social media management, bro. All this shit is still SMMA. People just put a different name on it. SMMA is a great business model. Now, getting that first client was the hardest shit ever. Like, once you get your first client, you kind of know what you're doing, but like, you got to sit on sales calls, you got to like kind of close people, you got to kind of have experience to deliver a good product to your client. Because if people are paying you $2,000 a month, $3,000 a month for a service, bro, you can't be a beginner doing that shit. I don't give a fuck, bro. You better not be going in there fucking people shit up. But if you do have experience, SMMA is a great online business model. But for beginners and teaching people how to do it from scratch, I just don't think it's a great business model for beginners. Now, reselling. I've seen a lot of people joining the reselling discords. Fucking, bro, it could work, but it's just like, bro, I literally saw someone right by me get robbed over a moissanite watch, bro. A moissanite AP. They got shot 2 times. Bro, I don't give a fuck. I'm not gonna go meet up Facebook Marketplace and some people and that. No, bro. Plus reselling, bro. When I was younger, it used to be like, oh, you get a sneaker, buy it. You get all the sneakers first, get the easy. Bro, now people are just selling straight up fake shit, and people don't care if they're buying fake shit anymore. I don't like buying fake shit. Other people shouldn't either. But yeah, Yeah, but then you got to find reliable manufacturers as well. So, and they speak a different language than you, and you got to go to a Chinese warehouse supply. Make sure you always got supply. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of shit that you don't need to deal with for the amount you're making. The margins on reselling is just ass, bro. It's ass. Like, but yeah, just me personally, I like to stay inside, get on the computer, get some sales on my computer. I don't like leaving the house, dealing with people. That's just not me. And the big one for 2025 and 2026, obviously, trading in crypto. And trading in crypto, bro. I don't know what's the fucking big craze about trading crypto. Trading in crypto has literally always been a thing, especially trading, bro. People have been teaching trading since the early 2000s, and people want to just act like it's this new thing because they watch TJR videos or some shit. The fuck out of here. With trading, bro, you have no leverage. You're not even starting a real business. Trading's more of a side hustle for me. You could lose all your money, bro. I don't care how much you think you know that shit. You 100% can lose all your money. I've seen it happen before. And realistically, only 10 to 20% of traders are realistically profitable and can make a living off that shit. So, yeah. But yeah, the business model I think the best for beginners and everyone is, honestly, is digital products. Selling and making your own digital product. Now, what I love about digital products is you create it once and you sell it infinite amount of times. No inventory, no shipping, no employees. The content does the selling for you, and this is why I was stressing the content. Every video you make compounds on top of each other. Every post builds trust. Every viewer becomes one of your little assets. Now, this is why everyone who makes real money online eventually lands on a digital product, no matter what niche you're in. And if you pay attention, you'll notice most creators don't talk about their product immediately. They educate first. They give little value and they let the content do the heavy lifting for them. Now here is where you have to shift your mindset completely. Every niche has one thing in common, right? And it's not the business model they are flexing to you, right? It's not that business model. It's a digital product. Just look at all these YouTubers and creators who say they have this secret business model, and then they'll go sell you their digital product. They'll sell you on SMMA, they'll sell you on dropshipping, they'll sell you on trading in crypto, whatever the fuck. Whatever the hell sounds sexy this year. But have you ever sat there and asked yourself, how are they actually making money online? And the people that are winning the most right now in the online business space, I can guarantee you they are not grinding out client work. And they're not flipping a fake ass cologne bottle for $250. But what they are doing is selling their own digital products. The people making millions with content aren't experts in a niche. They're owners of digital products, bro. But you gotta realize content isn't the business model, right? The product is. The content just prints the demand for the business product. But yeah, stop chasing secrets. Stop jumping business models. Just build attention, create content, package value. That's the real way people make money online.